happened?
I was getting Chinese, and like all of a sudden I see him go in the middle of the road. I started going around and he hit me.
I want her picked up. She's alive. My son isn't. My son is dead. I want to show you a picture.
Her light turned yellow when she was still coming up the ramp.
Right.
His neck was turned almost completely backwards.
I'm just like, and I stopped and like minute I hit him, it's like hit me.
On February 29th, 2024, just past 7 p.m., 47-year-old Roy Parra pedals his mountain bike eastward on the northern sidewalk of Loman Avenue in Las Cruces, New Mexico. He tows a compact bicycle trailer while crossing the Interstate 25 bridge. Simultaneously, 27-year-old Emily Elizabeth Portillo operates a silver Ford Mustang traveling at excessive speed. She departs Interstate 25 and tries to make a westbound turn onto Loman Avenue. Traffic investigators report that Portillo fails to complete the turn successfully and strikes Parra head-on. The collision is catastrophic. Parra is ejected from his bicycle, launched over the Loman Bridge and down onto a stone retaining wall beneath. Witnesses immediately dial 911. Las Cruces police and emergency responders arrive to find Parra critically wounded.
Adam, Mary, X-ray, Adam, 5-5 on that Mustang. Did you see what happened, ma'am? Is this your car? Do you mind just waiting a little bit? Thank you. Did you see the accident? Can you step over here, bro? They're gonna start assessing them. Come to this side, brother. Just two. I'm gonna have him come over here. Did you see what?
No, he's unconscious and he has a very weak pulse.
Okay. Did you see what happened?
No, I'm an IC nurse.
Right there.
Okay.
I just talked to this guy right before it happened.
To who? To this guy? Did you see what happened?
Yes, I was standing literally right there.
Okay. Let me get the driver's information. I'll come talk to you. Okay.
11:36
Can you just wait right here? Yeah. Come over here real quick. Okay. Can you wait over here, please? I'm gonna have an officer talk to you over here, okay? Can you just wait on the curb? That's fine. Was it just her in the car?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't see anybody else.
Can you hang up the phone?
Talk to you later, call the cops. I'm so sorry.
What happened?
I was getting Chinese, and like all of a sudden I see him go in the middle of the road. I started going around and he hit me. I'm just like, and I stopped and like minute I hit him, it's like hit me.
Okay, where were you coming from?
I was coming right here. I was like on the interstate. I was like literally exiting off. I was going to the Chinese buffet. And the thing is, like, I saw him.
So you had just gotten off going this way?
Yeah, like I moved over and like I saw him move into the middle of the road. I'm like, okay, I moved over. Then like, he moved forward. I'm like,
which lane were you in?
I was in this lane. I went to that lane because the thing is, I saw him in this lane. I'm like, okay, I moved around him. Then he went forward.
So he's in front of you. You're going like this.
Yes, sir.
And then you're gonna go to the left lane, the one left, and then he got in your way.
Yes, sir.
Do you have your license, registration,
Yes, sir.
insurance?
I'm so sorry.
Where are you coming from?
I was coming from Loman. I was just getting Chinese food. I am so sorry. That's my ID. I'm so sorry.
Where are you coming from?
I was coming from Loman. I literally just came home.
This is Loman.
11:46.
I'm so sorry.
Where were you coming from?
I was coming from university off to Loman. I literally just dropped off my little sister. I told her I want to get some Chinese food from the Chinese buffet. And I saw him. I went around him and I guess...
So you're coming from university?
Yes, sir.
Where did you drop off your niece?
I dropped my little sister right now.
Oh, your little sister?
Yes, my little sister. Literally
Where at?
off my parents' house right now. Off of Toluca's over there.
Okay.
And I went over here and like I saw him and I went around him.
Is a good address for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have insurance and registration on
Yes,
that vehicle?
sir, I do.
Can I have it, please?
Yes, sir.
No drinking or driving, no drugs or nothing?
No, sir.
Okay. I just have to insure, that's all.
Okay.
Let me go with you because people...
I just paid off this vehicle.
That's fine. You said no drinking and driving, right, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. What's that?
It's okay. I saw him. What's wrong?
You have insurance, man?
I'm so
Actually, this right here. This.
I'm sorry. Is he okay?
Well, they're checking him. I'm just...
I don't think I hit him. That's why.
Okay.
I avoided
Let's go to the curb. Let's go to the curb. You can put that back in your car, man. It's fine. I just need this.
I'm just
You can
curious
put
in case. Like,
No, just put it up so you're not holding it. This is not gonna open.
open. Yeah, it's not open.
Out of curiosity, so you're on the lane.
I saw him immediately pulling through. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna avoid him. But I like so he to go through.
Yeah.
I'm like, no.
Okay. Can you have a seat right here for me, please? Can you have a seat right here for me? What's your name? Let me see. Emily. They're assessing them. Okay, I'll keep you updated on all that. Out of curiosity, because there's some, I heard some blatantly statement you didn't go over a curb or anything like that, right?
No, I went this way. That's why I'm like, what do you mean? I went this way.
And was he on the lane or was he in this little thing right
I
here?
saw him like literally still going this way. I'm like, no, I'm going this way. Then like,
So from this little lane right here,
yes.
he was going this way. So then you're gonna go. Okay.
What happened?
So I was coming up, my truck's right there. You know, I was getting on the highway, about to get on the highway, and I took a right. Right when I was about to take that right, I looked over and I saw, that Mustang. And yeah, I think she was coming from here. She was coming up from the highway. I think she was going left. She was going left for sure. She was turning, but she was going way too fast. She was doing like 35, 40 miles an hour.
35 to 40, you said?
Yeah.
So you think that she's making a left, so she's going
Yeah, so I
initially
saw her-
northbound?
So like she was, that road right there, right? She was going this, like coming left. So like this guy was saying that he thinks she was coming this way. I don't think so. I was coming this way.
And you didn't see her behind you?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, she was coming off up here on the road. And freaking yeah. She was just going way too fast. I think she was like running like maybe a red light, or it was maybe like when you try to speed on yellow light, you try to beat it. She was falsely trying to do that. But she was going probably like, I don't know, anywhere from like 30 to 40 on that turn. And she just lost control, and I was like, I saw her going fast. I was like, oh shit, this girl's gonna crash. She hit the curb, and then she hit the curb. I was like, oh shit, she crashed, and then I was like, automatically thinking pulling over, and then like when she crashed, like I saw somebody like fly over, and I was like, oh shit, she hit somebody, and then like he had went over. I didn't see how far he went. I'm not sure, I'm
talking to my friend that was, he's Mange is right here. He's the guy with the dog. So I wanted to cross the road. As I'm waiting to cross the road, Mustang is hauling ass, dude, no joke. My friend was not on the road. He was on the sidewalk.
This is your friend?
Yeah, I know him from...
Okay.
I know him from being out here.
Gotcha, good.
Yeah, because I walked around and stuff. He was fine before. I was walking to the
So he
mall,
gets hit here and... Okay.
He was sitting right here. Look, there's a cigarette.
This lady was actually in this lane, stopped at the red on the other side, and she's actually getting off the freeway.
Just hauling ass.
Hauling ass. She says it was already yellow before she got to. When the girl, she says it was already red when she came into the intersection. Never applied the brake. She flew way out here to the outside. She said she hit the wall, but it was the curb. She said she thought she saw a guy, didn't know it was the other dude who got knocked over. Came back out, ended up over here, and she said, I don't think she ever applied the brake.
Yeah.
It hadn't told me anything more about the car.
So are you guys family members?
Her mother.
Yeah, she's getting arrested right now for drunk driving.
Okay, she left our house. She didn't.
Okay.
I know.
I get it, but yeah. That's what's happening right now. The person, I don't know the status of him right now, but he's probably on his way to El Paso. It doesn't look very good. So that's just preliminary charges at this time.
Okay, is it alcohol or what charges is it?
I'm not sure. It's a DWI. Is the subject okay? At this point, not really. We don't know the extent of his injuries, but he's probably going to be going to El Paso by a helicopter. So.
Do we know how it happened?
Well, from what we can tell, the initial tell is she's speeding off the exit ramp, trying to beat the light, and never slows down, never hits the brake, and just nails him right on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk?
Yeah, he's on the sidewalk. He gets launched over the bridge. So she's going pretty fast, which is, you know, not normal if you're not, if you have all your abilities on you, you know, it doesn't normally happen. So that's basically where it's at. She'll be able to make a phone call once she gets to the jail and everything, and then you'll know then. But more than likely, she'll see the judge by state law, she has to see the judge within the next 48 hours. Right now it's a DWI charge, and it could be something else down the road, but depends on what the condition of the subject is, okay? So basically that's where we're at.
Are you hurting anyway?
No, I'm perfect. Is you okay?
I don't know. They're assessing it. Okay? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you hurt at all?
No, I'm really fine.
Okay, you don't need any medical attention?
No, sir.
Did your airbags go off?
No, they didn't.
I don't think so.
Okay, it didn't look like it. I just want to make sure she wasn't. Okay. If anything changes, if you're not feeling good, you call us right back. Let an officer know that you need us, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
She's not slurring her speech. She's able to multitask. I don't know if you want to have him try it just to...
Yeah, we'll
Sure.
go talk to her. Is it that one?
Yeah, it's, I'll stop by with her, but
Yeah, we'll go
she don't... I'm just letting you know she don't smell nothing. Like,
Okay.
I was talking to Ortiz. I don't know if he wants his OT to do SFSTs on her. I just don't smell anything.
Yeah, I would just do it just to cover it.
That's what I was gonna do. I don't smell nothing. I don't see nothing. She's able to multitask. She ain't slurring. But
Yeah, I think just to rule it out.
that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't know if he wants his OT to do it. That's it. I just wanted you to stand by with her because of that, bro. I have all her 49, all the vehicle 49, so just for traffic.
What was she saying?
She just said that she came from dropping off her sister from university, so she has exited. She's in the far right lane. I guess this guy was driving in this little lane or whatever this is.
All of us guys, okay?
Do me a favor. Emily, can you face this way?
Just because of the lights.
And also, can you move your hair out of the way, like clear behind your ears and stuff? Thank you.
No, calling me, sorry.
Just take a few minutes. Won't take too long.
It's okay. Take a deep breath.
Alright, can you put your hands on your side, please?
Hey, Papa.
Can you see the tip of my pen?
In the area of
912 East Bowman
for that service
Can you move your hair? It's still up. Thank you.
Copy.
Stick those higher.
Central 1139, can I use 76 with 855?
It's okay.
Is he okay?
I'll keep you updated as soon as I find out, okay, man? We really don't know right now.
1146 Central.
Okay, relax, everyone.
You can wipe your tears.
It's fine.
Who is it?
Again, this is just to ensure you're not impaired, that's all.
Put me on 855's card.
I got you.
I'm going to social work, that's all I know.
You're a social worker?
Yes, I'm going for social work. I'm a master's in
Oh, okay.
social work, that's all I know.
Okay, I got you. I got you.
Central 1146, just confirming yes report.
I got you.
1146. Confirming yes report.
I don't know if that helps.
You have astigmatism?
Yeah,
Okay.
I do have astigmatism, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next, Emily, correct?
Are you at the light right there? The line right there? Oh, just right here? Alright, cool. Sorry, he'll instruct you. I just wasn't sure where we wanted to do it.
Yes, sir.
He'll explain it to you.
Alright, Emily, if you want to stand on this line right here for me? Face me?
Face you?
Yes.
I got your light.
Everyone's good for now.
Okay, so you this white line, correct? Yeah. Okay, so now next you're gonna go ahead and place your right foot on your left.
It is 0797.
Yes, exactly. Okay, put your arms down at your side. Make sure both feet are on the white line.
797.
Heel to toe.
797, can we go to 3?
Okay, you're gonna go in and you're gonna count out loud 9 steps. Okay. When you get to your 9th step, you're gonna make a series of small circles. You're gonna turn around and you're gonna continue on this line back with the 9 steps, saying them out loud. Once I tell you to stop, start with the tests. You're not stopping until you are done.
Okay.
You're
So
gonna
like, no, 9 faces that way, then turn around, the 9 faces this way, the 9 faces that way?
Yes. So you're gonna count out loud, heel to toe, 9 steps.
Yes, sir. Okay. So this is my first step then, right?
I think he's gonna start all over, ma'am, just to
I'm sorry.
cover any. No, you're fine.
Sorry, I'm like, I don't want to like.
No,
sorry.
you're fine.
The first time ever doing this, I'm like, I want
I
to
got
make
you.
sure.
You're fine.
Okay.
So we're gonna put your
So this
right
is like
foot
one.
There you go,
on your
yeah.
left, heel to toe.
Yes, sir.
Now
So
you're-
like 1, 2,
Well,
Okay, so just
3, 4, 5, 8.
okay. So come back over here.
Can you turn?
so we haven't started,
We
ma'am.
haven't started.
Oh,
yet.
I'm sorry. I'm sure. Okay, sorry.
Come back over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now put your right foot in front of your left. On the line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next you're gonna take 9 steps, heel to toe. Once you get to your 9th step, you're gonna take a series of small circles. You're gonna continue down this line back, saying it out loud.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, so this is like.
And then fun. Once I tell you to start, do not stop until you are done.
Sorry.
You're gonna keep your arms down at your side. You're gonna say it out loud. Do you have any questions at this time?
797, that's a rerouting to yours.
I'm trying to be anxious. I'm sorry.
Okay, so I'm gonna just go and show you what it's like. Okay?
You don't know if he's okay. Huh?
Not yet. An officer just went to the hospital. Okay.
I'm sorry.
I don't. I just don't want to lie to you and tell you he's okay when I don't know.
I understand. I'm just avoiding him.
Emily, right?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Hey, look. I'm gonna do the testing.
Central
Okay?
1139, 1146.
Do me a favor. Hang up. Just relax. Take a deep breath.
I thought I avoided him. That's why I was like.
I got you. So I'm gonna do the testings, okay? But I need to write some stuff down before we even start anything, okay? Do me a favor. Relax. Take a deep breath.
I'm trying to get my master's. I told you look at this thing.
I got you. I got you.
Subject is going behind the plaza.
Are you doing the HG and everything again? Okay. Okay.
Listen, Emily, right?
She's now behind the plaza of 2701 West Scotch Spring. RPA tried to get the subject advised. The subject told him he would shoot him. Negative on
My middle name has like Elizabeth.
It's Emily. What's your name? Elizabeth?
Yes, sir. Elizabeth.
It's not your bad.
Let me ask you something real quick.
49, I'm going to use Spanish speaker.
I'm just going to read you something because I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay?
Central 1132, can I get you 76 to 935?
Opposite stuff like that. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be against the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer while we appointed to represent or to question you, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer my questions or make any statements. Do you understand?
880-828.
You want to talk to me real quick?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. No. Do you want to talk to me?
Sure.
Okay. Have you been drinking today?
I drank like literally earlier today, like around like 5 hours earlier with my friend.
What'd you take?
I drank like Jim Beam. But that was like around like 4.
Okay. Did you take shots or
Yeah, it was
mixed
just normal
drinks?
shots. It was normal shots with like.
How many?
Just like one.
One?
Yes, sir.
And like a regular shot or a
Yeah,
double
it was a
shot?
normal,
Or
it was a normal shot, sir.
where were you at?
It was at her place.
Her place?
Yes, sir. That was like literally around 4 p.m. That's why I'm like,
Okay, so one shot of Gene Beam at 4 p.m.
yes, sir.
And you stopped at 4 p.m.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm like,
Okay. You still willing to do this testing?
yes, sir.
And it's just to rule out the fact that you might be intoxicated. So I just want to make sure that you were safe to operate this vehicle when you did. Right? All right.
It's been a few hours. That's why I'm like,
Do you usually drink?
like only on occasion. That's why it's like.
Mullen, what's up?
Negative.
Molinar's instructions were so bad that Ortiz is taking over. Just to start with.
Yeah, it's Sonoma Ranch. You guys hit this.
So we're about to kind of reset everything.
Copy. Sonoma Ranch. Go ahead, sir.
You show me 10 for the call, please.
Copy, sir.
Central 10-6, easy. Not for substation. Close the special out for the unit still on it.
You said he was taken to the hospital?
What's that?
You said he was taken to the hospital?
Yeah.
Are you wearing any contacts?
No, sir. I should be wearing glasses. I'm not gonna lie, but.
Sorry. Any concussions, any recent injuries?
No.
Yeah. Over here out there.
Yes, sir.
Cool. I need you to put your feet together like this, like you are, hands on your side, okay?
Hello, Central. Coming up 97.
You see the tip of my pen right here?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna move it side to side. You're gonna follow it, your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Do not move your head. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Can you move your shin down a little bit? There you go. Don't move it. Stay like that.
Answer 51132, channel 3.
Keep following with your eyes and move your head.
Yes, sir.
American 1954.
Relax.
So,
It's alright. so the next one is the one that we were doing walking and all
So
that.
when I ask
Okay, so just listen to my instructions and don't start until I tell you to do so, okay?
Yes, sir.
So what we're gonna do, just like you are, hands onto your side. Place your right foot in front of your left. You see this line in front of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna be on the line the entire time.
Yes, sir.
So put your right foot in front of your left, on top of the line, touching heel to toe like this.
Yes, sir.
Hands down to your side, and do not start until you do so, okay? I'm gonna give you a series of instructions. Just listen to me. I will demonstrate after. If you have any questions, let me know after. Okay? So what we're gonna do is, on the line that you're on, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps forward. Okay? You're gonna touch heel to toe. Okay? Once you get to your 9th heel, 9 heel to step, you're gonna keep your leading foot planted on the ground. With the other foot, you're gonna take a series of small steps to turn around. Once you turn around, you're gonna take another series of 9 heel to toe steps.
Yes, sir.
Okay? The entire time, you're gonna keep your hands down to your side. You're gonna look at your feet and you're gonna count out loud each step.
Yes, sir.
Once you start the test, you cannot stop.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
So 9 forward, 9 backward. 9
So you're gonna take 9 steps forward, a series of small steps to turn around, and 9 more heel to toe. I'm gonna demonstrate it.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Just look at me. Do not start until I tell you to do so. Okay? It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Keeping your leading foot planted on the ground. Small series of steps to turn around.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Once you turn around, you're gonna do another 9.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, all the way to 9.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Not start until I tell you.
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You can stop. You can stop.
Yes, sir.
We just have one more test, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So the next one, it's called one leg stand, okay? What you gotta do is, you're gonna just stand in one leg, alright? So these are the instructions, don't start until I tell you to do so. Hands down to your side like we've been doing this whole time, feet together, okay? I'm gonna give you instructions, do not start, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just pay attention. You're gonna elevate one foot off the ground approximately 6 inches. It's about a can of soda.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
You're gonna elevate it 6 inches off the ground like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna point your toe out, not up or down.
Point out. Point out.
Out. Leaving the bottom of your foot parallel to the ground. Okay? You're gonna look at your foot that's elevated. You're gonna count out loud in this manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Once again, you're gonna look at your feet. You're gonna count out loud. You're gonna keep your hands down to your side. Toe pointed out, parallel to the ground. Okay? If you put your foot down, elevate it back up to where it was, and continue where you left off. Don't restart the count.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Keep in mind, you cannot bend your knee. It has to be straight out.
Okay.
Okay? If you have any questions,
No, sir.
you may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004,
About 6 inches.
1005,
There you go.
1006,
Parallel to the
1007,
ground.
I'm sorry, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027.
You can relax. Alright, Billy, do me a favor. Face that way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have 15? PSAs can't search on.
Yeah.
Can they? 945 Century. Female 15.
Something like that, 20.
So you can be placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Alright, let's walk.
We'll walk this way.
Yeah. Is your wallet, ID, and all that proof in here?
Is that?
Alright.
What's up, Killer Cat?
What up, big dog?
I'll let you just jump in. Just fine? It's not all right, Donald. I was the one that spoke to you right there on the phone?
Yeah, I spoke to Pastor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my son just passed away.
Okay, we got that information from the Office of the Medical
Go ahead,
Investigator.
you can sit down.
Thank you.
So we're moving forward with other charges for that?
Yeah.
Call when he passes, it was the medical examiner that actually is over there that called the actual time of his death and date. So they actually call it over there in El Paso because he was flown over there, and that's where they called it. Otherwise, they wouldn't have flown him from Las Cruces to El Paso if he was technically still alive. Does that make sense?
If he was technically alive.
Here?
Here.
They wouldn't have flown him to, if he's technically, if he had passed here, there would be no point in taking him to El Paso. Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, I understand, but I'm saying, have you checked to see if he was actually brain dead here before they took him over?
We haven't gotten that information.
You haven't gotten that
from
information?
them yet.
So I won't be able to do anything with his body yet until all this investigation is done.
Correct. Yeah,
And his head literally, he hit his head on the cement. Just imagine falling.
Right.
I don't know how high it is, how many feet it is, all the way down.
Absolutely.
You know, just imagine hitting your head and there's no way, I mean, by the grace of God, you know, you can live. But he didn't. Because when I was cleaning nose, it was asphalt in his nose, inside his nose. It was caked up and the big old slash and they all right here has holes in it where when he fell.
Right.
You know, I'm like, you know, it's been hard.
Absolutely. And we have, I mean, if there's resources that we could reach out, you know, we have a chaplain as well that can reach out to you if you need.
That girl got out of jail after she killed my son. She needs to get back in here.
Right, and there's a process, there's a due process that she'll go through.
Because he'd be already dead.
Right.
They need to already, they already need to charge her for that.
And that's what we're working on, we're doing the charges right now. And you have to understand it's a process, everybody gets a due process, right? You're innocent until proven guilty, and that's the way America works, so.
Yeah, but she hit him in the car, there are so many witnesses.
Right, but
So
you understand you have to understand too, there's a due process that every American is given.
They shouldn't even let her out. After what, they got her with, she was three times intoxicated, 3 times over the limit in her alcohol. 3 times.
I'm not sure what it was.
Yeah, they said it was 3 times.
No, ma'am, it was, maybe you're looking at 1.5 times for the win.
I don't know, but they were saying it 3 times.
Okay, well, I mean, you're gonna hear a lot of things. If there's questions that we can answer for you right now.
Yeah, but you don't even know yet about the limit of the alcohol she had.
It's not 3 times, I can tell you that. It was.
But that's still a lot for him.
She was still over.
Kill,
right.
him
I'm just trying to dispel any rumors because you're going to hear a lot of rumors.
I know that, but I'm
and I want to give you the
that's
facts.
That's still a lot.
Right.
For killing a human being.
Absolutely.
And especially that he flew all the way down from the bridge.
Right.
That's still a lot. She probably would. I don't know why. I'm thinking that she might take up the wherever, bring another family member where they live, you know, and then to find her or whatever. I want her picked up. She's alive. My son isn't. My son is dead. I can show you a picture.
On July 11th, 2025, Emily Portillo appears in court for sentencing in front of Judge Richard M. Jaques. The hearing is highly emotional, with powerful statements from both the Parra family and Portillo's loved ones. Judge Jaques ultimately sentences Portillo to 10 years in prison, with 7 years to be served and 3 years suspended. Prosecutors stated that securing a sentence involving real incarceration, rather than probation, was a major objective, and said the outcome reflects their ongoing effort to reduce DWI-related deaths across the county.